Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my sorrel jam. Now I used this in my recent video for my Dominican jacquerie bread, and this is the type of sorrel that I am using. Now I was unable to get fresh sorrel, so I had to use the substitute, which is the dried, and I'm also going in with some cinnamon sticks and some ginger. Now we're gonna get right into the recipe. Sorrel is one of the Caribbean's staples when it comes to the holiday season, and not in the holiday season as well, because quite frankly, there is nothing limiting you to make some sorrel in the summertime if you want some. So I'm going in with my sorrel, and I'm going in with my ginger. I pounded the ginger so it will release all these juices, and I also have the cinnamon sticks. Now I know some people add cloves, some people add orange peel. However you like your sorrel, you add whatever you would like to add. Now as you can see, the water is already changing color. Now this is because of the high level of concentration in the dried sorrel. So I'm gonna have this boil, and here it is 15 minutes later. You can see that the color is so dark, and I'm loving it. So I'm having it boil for 10 minutes more, and this is how it looks. And what I like about the dried sorrel is that the taste is so pungent. You don't need to put a lot. You can buy just a small pack and it can give you so many glasses of sorrel. So that's what I love about using the concentrated one. And now I'm just gonna put the stove off, and I'm going to have this cool. I'm not gonna strain it as yet. Once it gets to room temperature, I'm going to strain it then, because I like it to continue to infuse all those flavors, and I'll be right back with you guys. So I left in about half a cup of sorrel in with the pulp, and then next we're going to go in with our white sugar. Now you can add brown sugar if you would like to, or any other type of sweetener substitute that you like. And next I'm going in with the peel of a lemon. Now there's this ingredient called pectin. Now pectin is found in the skin of citrus fruits, and what it does is it gives your jams or your jellies, it gives it that gel-like consistency. So you can either use that or you can buy the store type of pectin. So for this recipe, I'll just be using the peel of a lemon. So next we're just going to stir the sugar around so it could dissolve in that sorrel. And once it dissolves, we're gonna go in with our lemon peel. Now my heat is on low because I want this to just simmer down and to reduce gradually instead of having a high heat and then it ends up burning. Now once the lemon peel pretty much dissolves into the sorrel, what I'm going to do is to pulse it so that it's pureed, and I'll show you guys how that looks. And this is how it is looking, guys. It is all done. This process took about 45 minutes. I'm going to place them in mason jars once it's cooled down and have them in my fridge. Now they usually last me up to a month, and I'm showing you guys how it's so thick and the consistency. Oh my gosh. Yep. I had these on some toast, and they were so good. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Now I am going to be having a Christmas tree type of cheese board, and I'm gonna have this sorrel jam with my crackers. So I'm gonna show you guys a pic, and thanks again for watching. Do remember to have a good day on purpose. Bye.